You probably had your Instagram account for years, maybe even decades, and in that time you might have searched for some interesting things. Have you ever gone through and actually checked what you have searched for? Because Instagram saves all of that, and maybe you want to go in and delete that search history. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the 3 lines at the top right. Tap on your activity midway down. Scroll down. Tap on recent searches at the bottom. You can see all of your recent searches. I can tap the little X next to any of them to delete out just one search. Or at the top right, if I don't want to have any searches, I can tap clear all and clear all. And now all of those cringe searches from years ago will be deleted. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.